Hello everyone. So every Sunday night I get off my bed around like 6 p.m. because I'm lazy. But I just know that I have to prepare food for the rest of the week because I just cannot eat outside every single day. That's so expensive. So every Sunday at 6 p.m. I get out of my bed panicking. I run to Trader Joe's and just get stuff that's gonna last me for a week, and just come back and cook in a panic mode from like 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and just prepare food for the rest of the week. So I do meal prep every single Sunday. I just wanted to show meal prepping because I think it might be helpful for some people who is on a budget or who's vegetarian or who is just sick of eating out. So yeah, I hope it's not overexposed as my last video, but I really cannot help that. So here are the ingredients that I'm gonna use today. This is a good angle. Carrot, broccoli and cauliflower, tofu-based sausage, some Swiss cheese, brown rice tortillas. They're completely gluten-free. Okay, this I got for the first time, so if it sucks, I'm sorry, but it looked interesting. Some sort of cheese slices, fromage cheese, I don't know, broccolini, or I don't know how they call them honestly. I have some sriracha flavored tofu. I have some teriyaki flavored tofu. I have snow peas. It's gonna be my first time trying these because I usually use the string beans, but they were out of it. I try to eat one avocado a day, pre-sliced broccolis. No, not broccolis. Pre-sliced Brussels sprouts. This is the rice I have. It's from Turkey, so if you're in Turkey and you know this, I really like them. They're super easy to cook. They're delicious. I stacked like 100 in New York. So I usually start by preparing the vegetables that I'm gonna do in the oven because it takes the longest. Especially the carrots take like an hour to cook to perfection. So that's what I'm gonna do first, and we'll see how it goes. By the way, I was doing laundry today and I packed my stuff from the dryer and I brought it, and there was a sock, and I just hate it when I find someone else's clothing in my clothing. Like, just pick your stuff. Like, pick your I just hate it. Like, I don't want to touch your sock. I don't know you. What if your sock is contaminated? I don't know. This is a good angle. I'm gonna get some plates so I can get ready. I'll preheat the oven to 425. Can you focus? I feel like seasoning is the key for the vegetables. And if you watch my latest cooking video, you know that I love spices. Like, I throw a bunch of them. This is too loud. Almost everything gets much better with just a tiny bit of good seasoning. So the snow peas, I'll microwave it for like 2 minutes so it gets kind of soft before I put them in the oven. Or I might actually saute them in the pan, I don't know. By the way, I never got a tray since I moved in because I never actually used the oven until recently. Now I do everything in the oven and I still don't have a tray, and I'm just too lazy to get it. I went to Target for this and I just got everything else I needed except that tray. So I just put my plates covered with aluminum foil, and some people say it makes you cancer, but I hope it doesn't. I don't know. Don't listen to me. And the Brussels sprouts, because they're already pre-sliced, I'll just put them straight to the oven as well, just with the carrots. Oh, that's the peas. By the way, tomorrow is Monday, and you know how every Monday sucks, so I'm just like, But you know what? I'm also kind of excited because my boss was gone for 2 weeks, and now she's gonna be back. And I think we've just missed her a lot as a department, so I'm actually really excited. Just like the peas, I also put this in the microwave for 2 minutes so it gets tender. And these are microwavable bags, so don't at me. And now I'm gonna boil broccolini. I usually boil them for like 10 minutes or like however I feel like it. Like, you're not a baby. The oven is ready, but I'm not, so like we should wait a bit. Okay. So I feel like I have to season what I'm gonna put in the oven first before the broccolini part starts. These are the fun carrots. I like me. What kind of spices I should use? Carrots, I'm gonna use some nutmeg for sure. I just feel like it goes really well. Some salt and pepper. Okay, I recently started getting the Himalayan pink salt crystals instead of like cumin salt. I'm gonna use some onion powder, some umami as usual, and also some turmeric for the carrot. Oop, that's the broccoli and cauliflower in the microwave. The ground sage, yes. Cayenne pepper for the Brussels sprout. Fennel seeds. No. Garlic powder, yes. Hello. My camera died for no apparent reason because I charged the battery all day, so... By the way, after all the seasoning, which took approximately 16 hours, I'm boiling the broccolini now. The broccoli and cauliflowers that just came out of the microwave, they were microwaved for 2 minutes, and I had the snow peas. Because I'm extremely lazy, I think I'm gonna do everything in the oven. Usually I do the cauliflower and the broccoli and the peas sauteed in a pan because it kind of tastier, let's be real. But I just don't wanna like, it's just too much work, so So my seasoning for the carrots are a bit different. I tend to put more nutmeg and I add some cinnamon. It's just, I make it sweeter. Like for the rest of the vegetables, I'm just gonna use whatever I use for the Brussels sprouts. By the way, before breakfast today, I fried some eggs. I had the leftover chili from the garbage plate, which you have to check out. It's the most fun I've ever had cooking, I think, in my life. So yeah, I had the chili from there. I had some tortilla, so I kind of made like a little wrap situation. It was really good, and it was so much. It was so filling. And it was like 3 p.m. by the way when I say breakfast, because I woke up at like 12 p.m. So yeah, I was just like, okay, you know what? From now on, like, I'm probably not gonna eat for the rest of the day because I'm really full and I eat a lot on Saturday and blah 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 blah. I was lying to myself. Then I realized I have to go to Trader Joe's. I'm talking. Alexa, stop. Surprise. Youngin was like, oh, do you wanna go to Dunkin' Donut? Not trash. We don't go to Dunkin' Donut. Like inside I was like, I'm trash, I want to go to Dunkin' Donut. I'm really craving donuts. We went, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get anything. But then we went to the decal hall and I was like, let me get some donuts. They were just making the Nutella donuts, like they just got out of the oven and they were just filling it. I was like, oh, here we go. I ate 3 donuts filled with Nutella. I'm gonna title this video, how I threw up after 3 donuts. That's probably how it's gonna turn out to be. I'll put these in the oven, but not an hour because they're kind of pre-cooked. So like a 15 minute, 20 minute. So this is, I think, good for now. Here's a sneak peek. I mean, I think it's going good. Hey, so here's the broccoli, also seasoned, and it's gonna go into the oven. Eat more vegetable. I mean, do I need an excuse? Come on. Ew. Oh, that's the donuts. Alexa, set the timer for 20 minutes. So I have these 2 tofus and the sausage. I'm gonna slice them up in small cubes and I'm gonna stir fry them. I feel like that's the easiest way to go with them. So yesterday I went to Dino. Oh, should I insert some footage because Hello. So I will meet a friend for lunch and I just wanted to take my camera with me. Hello guys, so it's been like 25 minutes and we're still trying to decide. This is the last time I'm seeing Steph because she can't make up her mind.
Okay, no, I know what I want.
What do you want?
Black linguine, and then we're gonna share. Should we just get beef falafel?
Okay.
So we'll get that.
That's made a decision. Yay! Guys, we're talking about the stressful life. We got Bloody Marys. I actually wanted coffee, but I was tricked. Peer pressure.
It's gonna be all like.
So I got the lemon spaghetti and she got the black linguine with calamari.
I'm just excited. I'm sorry.
It's not okay. So yeah, I usually had the lemon spaghetti. Oh my god! Like, and here's the tofu. This is the sriracha one, and this is and this is a teriyaki one. They're gonna be stir-fried. Yay! Look at my double shake. Gluten-free white sandwich bread from Traders. I usually get the everything bagel because I just love everything bagel, or I get the corn tortillas, or I get rice tortilla. It just tastes really good. Alexa, set the timer for 5 minutes. The stir-fried sriracha flavored tofu is ready. Teriyaki flavored tofu. This is the cooked version. It's so good. The veggies are ready, so let me just have a look. I mean, 2 of them are ready. Look at this beauty. It's all cooked. And this is the broccoli and cauliflower, all grilled to perfection. So this is the teriyaki tofu, and they're both ready. And I'm gonna do the sausage, and then I'm gonna do the rice. My camera keeps dying. Let me slice the sausages. These are so good. So here's the sliced sausages. What the f? Ew, why is this on the floor? I just cleaned it. 2 are ready too. I'm just taking them out. Sausages are ready. They're crisp and perfect. And now I'm gonna do the rice. So I'm gonna put everything together tomorrow morning. But I mean, everything is ready, so it's literally gonna take me like 5 minutes. Guys, look at this beauty. This is the crisp as Brussels sprouts, and this is the beautiful sweet carrots. Ooh, I'm so excited for the week. This food is amazing. And now it's time to do the rice. I just added some olive oil, and I'll add some salt. It's all soft and good. What the f is happening outside? Can you guys hear this? Like, can anyone hear this, or am I just dreaming now? Ooh. So yesterday my friends left around like 1 a.m. and apparently there was 2 police officers in my building, and there was some $1 bills on the floor spread all over. What the f is happening? I added water, so now it's gonna boil for approximately 30 minutes. Like, see? Okay, nothing is visible because of the rain and it's so dark. Never mind. I don't even know what's happening, honestly. The rice is boiling. I just put everything in the fridge because everything is ready. Yay! Hey guys, so 25 minutes later, the rice is ready. It's actually kind of burnt. I fell asleep. I literally fell asleep. I was everywhere. Guys, look at the rice. Doesn't it look amazing? Ooh. Hello. So overall, the rice is done as well. We have made broccolini, Brussels sprouts, baby carrots, broccoli and cauliflower mix, and snow peas in the oven with no oil. We made some whole wheat rice, or bulgur if you're Turkish. Alexa, stop. Don't interrupt me. And we made teriyaki tofu and sriracha tofu stir fry, and some vegan Italian sausage. And tomorrow morning I'll put everything together. See you guys tomorrow morning then. Hello guys, now it's 7:30 the next morning. Okay, I'm just gonna put together what I cooked yesterday.